Hey guys, my name's Autumn and I'm studying to be an esthetician. So I am always on the scout looking for new products, anything skincare related I'm really interested in. I was at the store the other day looking for some kind of hair removal device and I found this right here, and what this is an About Face Pro Premium Razor. So what this does and what it's used for is it gets rid of that vellus hair, peach fuzz on your face, and also takes away the dead skin cells that are on the surface, making room for that beautiful young looking skin underneath. Found out that this is a J Beauty product, and what that means is it's designed in Japan and it's used for long lasting and effective skincare. So naturally I read that and I immediately was blown away and I bought it, took it home, I took my shower, I got my face all prepped, and I got this guy out. And how you use this is you do slow downward gliding motions to take off that fine vellus hair, or it's known as peach fuzz. So a lot of people complain about peach fuzz. They talk about how, they want it off their face, and this is perfect for that. For anyone who has sensitive skin, we're gonna use this product on it. I have this product next to my toothbrush at home. Anytime that I need to do a little cleanup on my face, I'll grab this and I'll just go at it. I get all those hairs off my face and then I put the little lid back on and I just set it right next to my toothbrush. If I need to, I can fit it in my toiletry bag. If I'm going anywhere and want to take it with me, it's small enough that I can do so. It's my favorite thing because as a skincare professional, everyone's looking at your skin all the time, and I find that it's the most effective way to get rid of those peach fuzz hairs on your face and have a smoother makeup application so people are looking at me and not my peach fuzz. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video today. A short little tutorial from me. You can catch more tutorials from me down below. If you want to learn anything more about this razor, please tune in. Thank you guys so much.